Since the introduction of the euro in January 2002, Europeans have been able to make cash payments from one purse using the single currency anywhere in the eurozone. But making cashless payments across European borders can still be complicated. Sepa, the Single Euro Payments Area, aims to address this by creating common European payment instruments and a more innovative market for retail payments. The European banking industry has been working on this project for several years. The work has been coordinated by the European Payments Council, with support from the European Commission and the European Central Bank. To achieve Sepa's objectives, the European Payments Council has created three basic payment instruments: Sepa Credit Transfer, Sepa Direct Debit, and the Sepa Cards Framework. Sepa Credit Transfer, in place since January 2008, provides customers with a single means of transferring funds, regardless of whether it's within a single country or involves a cross-border payment. For example, a company in Finland can pay its suppliers in different parts of Europe just as easily as it pays its suppliers at home. Sepa Direct Debit, introduced in November 2009, makes it possible for the first time to charge directly an account in one European country for services provided by a company based in another country. For instance, it is possible for a German resident to have the bills from a telephone service supplier in Spain debited directly from his bank account. Sepa for Cards will enable consumers to use the same cards they used in their own country for purchases everywhere in Europe more conveniently. For merchants, accepting cards will become easier and more attractive. These instruments will bring considerable advantages. For consumers, it will be easier to travel or to buy goods and services from companies anywhere in Europe. Companies will be able to centralize their European treasuries and use just one account to make all their payments. Banks will be able to expand their payment business and compete more effectively at European level.
Sepa means more efficient payments in Europe, cheaper and faster. Sepa means more competition, more use of modern payments like mobile payments, online payments. Sepa is good for Europe.